Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just try to, as a family guy, family man, I'm just gonna try to use this Maxi-Cosi Easyfix as we are expecting newborn baby. So this baby seat will be useful. Actually, this is not a baby seat, it's a mount where you're gonna put the baby seat on top. And it's very handy in this car that there is these kind of holders of this mount. So all you do is those yellow pins, you just kind of push in there, which I will do like this, and it's very easy. That's it, it's all fixed in there. And then this support is holding your mount to be kind of stable. Also, what you have to do is just undo this blue handle, and you have to just, it's actually shown on here what you have to do. You know, also this thing, Maxi-Cosi Easyfix has the manual book where you could actually go, you know, through the details how it works, but I will try to just follow the guidance. This is like additional support just in case, you know, safety's first. Okay, we just clap this, that's it. It's all good. Bear in mind that there is green lights. The ones, it means that this mount support is kind of in place. If there would be red, which is, I'll just show you like this. So it means that it's not right. You know, it has to be green. You can adjust by pulling this up or down. You see, this is like wobbly, you know, so it's no good. But if you, with this knob, pull it backwards and then let it down, that's it. If you want to remove that thing, okay, you just probably unclick that and just put the seatbelt back in place, close this, and then how to get it out. There's a button up here, and what it does, it releases those yellow clips. Just press it and it's out. It's easy to take, easy to put in, and it's very handy. So we have a Maxi-Cosi baby car seat, easy to mount on top. All you do is just, that's it, baby's happy. You can actually leave this one like this, so it's easier to take it out. Okay, and if you see, there is this like a green light, so it means that it's in place. Okay, if you want to remove that, there's this gray handle. You just pull it and then lift your car seat and take the baby out. So as long as it's set, now we're going to test it. I borrowed actually a baby Annabelle doll from my daughter. As I said, our baby is just arriving, so I will just try as a demonstration to see how it goes. Of course, I would be more gentle than this way with the baby, but you know, this is a doll. So you just basically lock this, and the baby Annabelle is ready to go. I will leave a link in the description of both of these gadgets, tools for your, you know, lovely families.